What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video, what I want to show you is just kind of a breakdown on what I would personally be looking for in the markets during the New York session, the Asia and the London combined. So I'm going to give you guys just an overview on this week, the past couple of days. Let's get into it. Okay, so the open of the week was the 22nd. Let's actually start the 21st because we're going to jump into the Asia and London session on Sunday. Okay, so the first time that we're going to be looking for is the Asia session. So I'm going to go to the hourly since I'm using that strategy. Alright, so we can see this is the open on Sunday right here. So the first time I'm going to be looking for is 1600 and 1700. Here's our 5 p.m. candle right there. Next one opens up at 6. You can see that that one closed at 6 actually. And we can see that there wasn't a clear reversal. There wasn't really any signs that were going to tell me it was going to go up. Going into London, we're going to be looking at 12 a.m. and then 1 a.m. So we can see right here, this candle kind of did close bearish. That could have been a sell opportunity. But if you didn't have your stops above this previous high right here, your stops would have been hit and their overall wasn't a really good move. Okay. Now let's go into the 15-minute on the 22nd. Okay. Right back here, this was Monday morning, so we can see that the market did open up 6:30 right here. This was the open of the market, so this candle was from 6:30 to 6:45. Beautiful spinning top. This would have been a very good trade to take right there. I would have entered right after that candle closed. And if you guys know me, with US30, there's specific times that I look at during the New York session: 6:45, 7 a.m., and 7:15. So that time right there is 6:45 that candle closed. Candle told us that it was going to keep going up. Rejection of the moving averages, the 20 and 50. Also would have taken it just off that rejection. Long wick to the bottom. This candle is a spinning top. Nice move up. Okay, so our move up was 1,000 pips. Nice 1,000 pip move for the New York session right there on that one 15-minute candle, which is pretty crazy. Okay, now let's go in back to the hourly. We're going to be looking at the 22nd. Okay, we can see right here on the 22nd on the hourly, 1600, 1700 of this actually is the 22nd. So right here, this actually was a trade that I ended up taking at the 5 p.m. close. So this candle, at 5 p.m. I got an alert on my phone. I usually have a timer set 3 minutes before 5 p.m. and 3 minutes before 6 p.m. to get the recognition on the Asia session on what's going on. So I saw that doji right there. Took a short, ended up, I think, catching 780 pips on that trade right there. Yeah, it was around 780 pips for that trade that we bagged for the Asia session. Called that out on my group. Later was the London session, so here's that 1 a.m. candle that closed at 1 a.m. You can see we have a spinning top as well. Looks previous to that 15-minute candle that we saw at the open. Good trade right there to take, and I think it moved up like 1,000 pips after that. Yeah, 1,000 pip move. Okay, now we're going to look at the 23rd on the minute 15. Okay, this was Tuesday right here. So we're going to look at the open of the market right there, 6:30, 6:45, 7 a.m., 7:15. I think there actually was a nice setup on this trade on the minute 5. So let's go down to the minute 5 on the 23rd. It's 24th. Okay, so right here there was that nice rejection candle at 6:55, 7 a.m. So a lot of the time, if I don't see a setup on the minute 15, what I'm going to do is go down to the minute 5 and see what's happening on that time frame to see if there's a setup possibly forming. So right there, right at 7 a.m., there's our time, 6:45, 7 a.m., 7:15. We had a reversal candle, a hammerhead candle to reject this golden zone on the minute 5. Nice trade right there. Now let's go to the hourly and look at the 23rd. So this is Tuesday, Asia session. 23rd right here. Here's the Asia session right here. There's that 6 p.m. candle that moved up. I actually did catch this trade right here for a quick 200 pips. But I did see the rejection right there. Clear M pattern. Didn't get in that sell. I think I broke even on that trade. And then, yeah, it actually did have a nice move down. So that was 1700. So after 6 p.m. after that candle closed, or the 6 p.m. candle, we could see that it was a beautiful drop after that. Okay, and that drop did end up going for 3 hours about 1,000 pips, so nice move. Then we have the London, where's that 12 a.m. candle? So alright, there's out 12 right here. Kinda could have seen that as a reversal. That would have been a nice reversal entry. Enter on that candle at 12 a.m. Have your stops right above here or the high of the day right there. And then you could have wrote it down. And then coming into the open, yeah, there's that reversal for the New York session open. And then it pushes up. So that's kind of a breakdown on what happened these past couple of days. That's what I'm looking at in the market. Like I explained in my previous videos, when I'm trading, I like to look at reversal candles. That's mainly what I'm looking at. So at these specific times, let me go over it one more time for you. So we have the New York session. I'm looking at the minute 15 or the minute 5 at 6:45 a.m., 7 a.m., and 7:15. Those are my times in California. Then the Asia session, I'm looking at 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. on the hourly chart for any reversal. Then the last time I'm looking at is the London session. I'm going to be looking at 12 a.m. and 1 a.m. for a reversal on the hourly. These are, again, my times in California. Hope you guys got some value from this video. If you want more value on indices like US30, check out my previous videos before this one, and there's a ton of value in those videos. And if you guys want to get started trading, check out rorfx.com. My program is on a big discount for Thanksgiving and Black Friday, so if you guys want to get involved, it's rorfx.com.